Today we're going to focus on Google Sheets and how to maximize your productivity with few time-saving shortcut keys. Firstly, to insert a link, quickly press Ctrl+K. This will allow you to immediately apply a link to your selected text or cell. To insert time or date into a cell, make use of these quick keys. For time, press Ctrl plus Shift plus semicolon, and for the date, just Ctrl plus semicolon. If you want to insert both date and time together, use Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus semicolon. Let's clean up the format of any selected cell or range. Press Ctrl plus / to clear all formatting. Want to delete rows or columns? Easy. Select the rows or columns first and then press Ctrl plus Alt plus dash. Repeat the same steps to delete additional columns or rows. Next, let's group rows or columns using the Alt plus Shift plus right arrow. And if you want to ungroup them, it's just as simple. Use Alt plus Shift plus left arrow. And there you have it, a rundown of some incredibly handy Google Sheets shortcuts to enhance your workflow.